Hey guys, I just want to give you a quick review of these 4x6 Rollo shipping labels. Obviously I use a Rollo printer for my shipping, and I just want to tell you I've tried to use cheaper brands and other brands with my Rollo, and they work okay, but these ones have been so much smoother. One of the things I can tell you is they have this, the perforated part there for all of your labels, so when you print it you can just rip it off. Some of the other ones I've had, the cheaper ones, they don't come with that perforation. Also, I can tell you, like, the adhesive quality on these, it's really good. I've had labels from cheaper brands where I use them and they fall off, or I've had problems with my packages getting delivered. So that's a major problem. So using something like these, I've been really happy with it. Like I said, they stick on. And overall, like, the print quality, I don't know what it is about it that makes these different from the other ones, but the print quality out of the machine itself is so much better than using some of the cheaper ones. So if you're using a Rollo, I mean, I can't testify to how it works with other 4x6 printers, but I can definitely tell you, if you're using a Rollo, stick with the Rollo brand labels. It's much better, and you're going to have a really good quality print with them. Highly recommend it.